Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to install Pinduoduo app on your Android phone. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iBookwish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, so welcome back, friends. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your browser. So because the Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is no longer available on the Play Store, so that is why we have to use a third party to get the app. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to head over to our Chrome browser, just like what you see right here. Click on Chrome browser. You can use any browser available to you to access the site. So, but in this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, then the next thing you need to do is to click on search or type URL right here. Then what you need to do right here is to type in Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo APK download. Download for Android. Then click on search right here to proceed. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to the last button. Continue to scroll down until you get to this particular one right here. Pinduoduo.en, doing stuff like this. So just like what you see right here, you can see the URL right here. Pinduoduo for Android download APK from. So click on it. That's going to take you right here. So right here, what you need to do is to click on download latest APK. So click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on download APK 6.9. Click on that. Then if it shows you something like this, don't panic. What you need to do is to click on go to app. Then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to get the latest version. Click on latest version right here. And it redirects you right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then your download here is going to start prepare. So once this is going, the next thing you need to do is to click on download right here. Just like what you see on the screen right here, choose where to download, simply click on download right here. Then click on download anyway. So you can see the download of the APK file started, just like what you see right here. After a successful download, click on open. For your security, your phone currently is not allowed to install or no apps from this source. You can change the setting. You can change this in settings. Simply click on settings. Then make sure you give permission right here. So after you give permission, then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on install. Click on, after a successful installation, click on open, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on the app right here. Then allow everything to scan right here. And the next thing you need to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on open. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. And you have successfully in. So click on here again. and it's going to connect your WeChat. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on Accept and Continue. Then you'll be taken in, just like what you see right here, into your Pinduoduo app. So just like so, you can scroll down and start making your purchase with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So if we go back, so if I click on this icon right here, it takes me straight into my profile on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. So this is the profile section on my Pinduoduo app. Then I can click on here to go back to the home page. So from here, I can scroll up and down and search for product. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.